Good morning, Ma'am Auxilio, and to all my online classmates. So my topic is all about warranty liability. We all know that the warranty is provided by the sellers normally of appliances or gadgets. For example, there is a defect or there is a problem with the function. So normally, that is where the warranties happen. So in this side, pag-uusapan natin dito ay ang mga gadgets and appliances na mga binibigyan ng mga warranty and ano ang magiging treatment or accounting treatment. So, what is warranty? Warranty, those are often sold under guarantee or warranty to provide free repair, service, or replacement. Of course, with appliances, it is unavoidable to have a defect or wrong function or whatsoever magbibigay ng free service or replacement. Such entity policy may involve significant cost on the part of the entity. So, ikaw daw yung business. So, on the part mo daw, if the product sold proved to be defect in the future within the specified period of time. By the way, the warranty liability is called constructive obligation. 'Di ba kasi pag sinasabi nating legal obligation, whether that arise a contract or siya ay payable because of the requirement of the law or legislation. For example, SSS and PhilHealth. So, warranty liability is a constructive obligation. Bakit constructive? Kasi nag-arise siya. Dahil in-execute mo yung katulad ng pagbebenta, so part of it ay sinamahan mo ng warranty. So, nagkaroon ng constructive obligation arising from the sale of the gadget or mga home appliances. The question is how to recognize. So, it means when will you record debit at credit and when you need to appear in the financial statements. Regularly, the balance sheets. So, it's stated here. The recognition warranty. How to recognize? When it is present obligation as a result of past event. Probable outflow. Measurable reliably or reliable estimate or best estimate. So, it means this is the definition means of the liability. Diba? It should be present obligation. So, what does it mean when we say present obligation? Present obligation, there is an obligating event or a transaction that lead to you being obligated to pay. So, sa case nga nitong warranty liability, nagkakaroon ng bintahan. Ikaw, nagbenta ka ng appliances, iyong sinasabing as a result of past event and considered as a present obligation kasi nga anytime pwedeng merong bumalik at mag-claim ng warranty sa pagpapaayos ng kanilang appliances or gadgets or a replacement. And then of course, yung sinasabi nating probable outflow, anong ibig sabihin nun? More than 50% na magkakaroon ng outflow. Pero sa cash ng warranty, 'di ba, ang gagawin mo diyan is what? I-repair mo or papalitan ng bago. That is what is said to be embodying future economic benefit for the settlement. And that has an associated cost. So, 'di ba, naigastos, kaya outflow of economic resources. And of course, that cost should be measured reliably or it should be reliable estimate or best estimate. It says here that where no reliable estimate can be made, no warranty liability is recognized. So in short, kinahanglan na kining 1, 2, ug 3 ma-meet yung definition in order for you to record or to recognize warranty liability. How to account? So there are two approaches in accounting for warranty. The accrual approach and expense as incurred approach or expense outright approach.
So when we say accrual approach, nare-recognize mo na siya dahil nga ini-estimate mo na. Nare-recognize mo na from the moment there was a sale of the gadgets or home appliances, you already recognize the warranty liability. While in expense as incurred approach, when will it happen? When there will be an actual claim. Ato na ta mag-recognize sa expense or expense outright. To make it clearer what that is, we will look to find out.
Let's first discuss the accrual approach. Accrual approach has the soundest theoretical support because it properly matches cost with revenue. So sa accounting accrual approach, ang ginabuhat nato as required by the conceptual framework. So soundest theoretical approach daw, and then matching of cost with revenue. Kasi nga nagkakaroon ng bintahan ng appliances. Anong mangyayari? Nagre-recognize kaagad na expense, they go hand in hand. So yun ang nagiging kagandahan ng accrual approach. So unsaon ang entry? For example ng bintahan. Kung binayaran ng cash, so debit cash at credit is sale. And then immediately, you will record warranty expense and estimated warranty liability. So as you can see in the slide, we debit warranty expense and then credit estimate warranty liability. When actual warranty cost is subsequently incurred and paid, the entry is debit estimate warranty liability and credit cash. For example, may mga nag-claim na, may nagpapaayos na. So kapag nagkakaroon ng settlement at inayos, binayaran, or whatsoever, you debit warranty liability. Siyempre, mawawala na siya and then you credit cash. At a certain date, the estimate is reviewed to determine its reasonable and accuracy. The actual warranty cost is analyzed to validate the original estimate. At a certain date, the estimate is reviewed. Kasi, syempre, yung estimate natin pwedeng magbago yan, lalo na kung nag-improve na. For example, the quality of the product. Historically, the sales of the products, we know how much the claims are or how many normally return or fix. But of course, because there are changes, there are improvements. So we need to review the estimate we make. Kaya sabi dito, at a certain date, at some point in time, pwedeng within a year, or kapag may lumabas ng bagong model na ang review ay hindi talagang masyadong nagkakaroon ng mga factory defect, so magkakaroon ng changes sa estimate natin. To determine its reasonableness and accuracy, the actual warranty cost is analyzed to validate the original estimate, so our estimate must be close to actual warranty cost. If it is too far away, it will be the basis of estimate for future periods unless otherwise the event is isolated. It seems that it was that incident that many actually came back because there was a problem that year, but the last 2 years have not had a problem. For example, in the product, it's just that year there was just really a problem. But if the traditional example is really a lot of people coming back, consider that for estimating for next year, especially if there are products of the same model that will be produced that year and will be sold in the following year. Any difference between estimate and actual cost, kung magkano daw talaga yung warranty na nagagastos yung warranty cost at yung estimate is a change in accounting estimate. What if the actual cost exceeds the estimate? So ang estimate lang natin is 500,000. 1 million is the actual cost. So the difference is charged to warranty expense. So, magde-debit ng warranty expense and then credit estimate warranty liability. If the actual cost is less than estimate, the difference is an adjustment to warranty expense as follows. Debit estimate warranty liability and then credit warranty expense. So, nire-reverse lang yung entry.